Hello students. Today we start our second chapter, materials, metals and non-metals. You are familiar with a number of materials like iron, aluminium, copper, etc. Some materials have been given below in table. All of you look on this table. The first box, object or material. The second one is appearance. And the third one is hardness. Okay. Now we look on each one separately. The first one is iron. Iron is shiny or dull? Iron is shiny in nature. Iron is shiny in nature. Very hard substance. Okay. Iron is shiny and very hard substance. Then the case of coal is dull appearance. Okay. Coal have dull appearance. It is not a shiny thing. And it is not very hard. Coal is not very hard. Sulfur. Sulfur is dull in nature. And this also not very hard. Okay. Sulfur is dull in nature. And this also not very hard. Aluminium. Aluminium is in shiny nature. Aluminium is shiny nature. And it is very hard. And it is very hard. Next one, copper. Copper is also shiny nature. Copper is also shiny nature. And copper is very hard. Okay, copper is very hard. When we look on this table, we can see that iron, aluminium, copper are shiny nature. Okay, iron, aluminium and copper are shiny nature and very hard. These are metals. Metals are commonly shiny in nature and very hard. Okay? Iron, aluminium and copper are metals. Metals are commonly shiny appearance. Metals have shiny appearance and very hard in nature. Coal and sulfur are non-metals. Coal and sulfur are non-metals. Non-metals have dull appearance. Okay. Non-metals have dull appearance and not very hard. Once more, metals have shiny appearance and very hard. Non-metals have dull appearance and very soft or not very hard. Next, activity 4.1 that is given in your textbook. First, take a small iron nail. Okay, first you can take a small iron nail and a coal piece, a piece of aluminum wire and a pencil lead. Okay. 4 materials are needed: small iron nail, coal piece, thick aluminum wire, pencil lead. After you take these materials, beat the iron nail with a hammer. Okay, beat the iron nail with a hammer. Try to hit hard. What happens? This picture shows a hammer is used to beat iron nail. And also you can beat aluminum wire, pencil lead, coal piece, and then what you see there? All of you look on this box. When you beat with hammer in iron nail, this iron nail flattens. Okay? When you beat iron nail with hammer, iron nail is flattens. And what happens in coal piece? Coal piece break into pieces. Coal piece breaks into small pieces. Then what happens in aluminum wire? Aluminum wire flattens. Aluminum wire flattens. Pencil lead. Pencil lead breaks into pieces. Pencil lead, it breaks into pieces. So what you happen here? Iron nail and aluminum wire flattens. Okay. When you hammered iron nail and aluminum wire, they are flattens. But in the case of coal piece and pencil lead, these are breaks into small pieces. Okay. So, iron nail and aluminum wire are metals. Iron and aluminum are metals. Metals have a property known as malleability. Okay. Metals shows a property which is known as malleability. When we beat a metal with hammer, this metal changes to thin sheet. This property is known as malleability. So, in that box, you can see that the shape of the iron nail and the aluminum wire changed on beating. And if they were beaten very harder, these could be changed into thin sheet. Okay. When we beat very hardly or beaten harder, these can be changed into very thin sheets. You might be familiar with silver foil used for decorating sweets, or you are also familiar about aluminum foil that is used for wrapping food, etc. Okay, these are shows the malleability, the property of malleability. Then what do you mean by malleability? Malleability means the property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheet. Okay? The property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. This is the property of metal. What do you mean by malleability? The property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheet. Okay? The metals can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. Okay, today we study 3 properties of metals. Which are they? Metals are hard and metals have shiny appearance. Okay, metals are hard and shiny appearance. Metal shows a property called malleability. Malleability means metals that can be beaten to form thin sheet. Okay, metals changes to thin sheet when it beaten very hardly. This property is called malleability. So metals are malleable. Okay. Okay students, today I wind up my class. All of you study well. We will meet you on next class.